In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, set up, and manage Gmail accounts in Google Workspace 5 minutes. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console using an administrator account. This is the hub where you'll create and manage users, email settings, and security. Once you're in, look for Directory in the left-hand menu. Directory is where all your people, groups, and organizational units live. Next, open Users. This shows every account in your domain. To create a new Gmail account, click Add New User. You'll see a form where you enter the user's basic details like first and last name and choose their primary email address. If you use organizational units, place the user in the right one to inherit the correct settings and policies. You can also decide whether to notify the user with sign-in instructions. For the password, you can let Google generate a secure one or set one yourself. If you set your own, keep it temporary and make sure the user changes it at first sign-in. Avoid sharing passwords in email or chat. Use a secure method and remind the user not to reuse passwords. When everything looks good, click Add New User to create the account. The new mailbox is active immediately and you can manage it individually or through groups. Groups are great for mailing lists, shared inboxes, and access control, saving you time as your team grows. If the user needs additional email addresses, open their user profile and add an alternative email. These are called aliases. Aliases are free, and messages sent to an alias land in the same inbox as the primary account, which is perfect for roles like support or sales without purchasing extra licenses. From the same user page, you can reset a password if someone is locked out. For better security, head to Security, then Authentication, and enable two-step verification for everyone. Users can choose prompts or authenticator apps, dramatically reducing the risk of unauthorized access. To fine-tune Gmail itself, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, and select Gmail. Here you can turn on features like offline mail, which lets users read and write messages without internet mail delegation, which allows assistants or teammates to manage a mailbox on someone's behalf, and confidential mode, which adds expiration dates and restrictions to sensitive emails. Choose settings that match your organization's policies and compliance needs. That's it. You've added a user, secured their account, and configured Gmail features. Save your changes, communicate next steps to the user, and you're ready to go.